Peanut, what are you doing over there? Come here. Get over here. January 1st, 2020. Or as they say on the news, local news, 2020. 2020. And they say it very distinctively. Just like that. 2020. Anyways. Check this out. Got some bamboo. Where'd you even... Oh, the gate's open over there. Alright. Got a whole bunch more Longinternodes planted here. Got about 27 of them with the ones over there. Peanut's out hunting. Let's go over here for a minute. So this is the north of my yard here, the lot next door where I got my bamboo, and you see it's totally shaded now. It's about 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Totally shaded. This shoot here is about a month old now. It's about probably 2 feet tall. And I don't have any new ones coming up just yet. I've been waiting. But it is just after the winter solstice, the shortest day of the year. So the days are getting a little bit longer, but not a lot. Not a lot yet, but everything is doing really good. These are all Sept, getting pretty big. A couple of them do have some pretty new shoots out. These aren't that old, and that one's probably pushing 2 feet too. And yeah. Oh, the other thing, look at all the branches on this one. This is the Dendrocalamus giganteus that I got from as a little seedling back in June. And it's getting all these branches all over the place. See, look at all these ones over here. Look at little tiny ones. So and these ones are pretty big, actually. Those I noticed these a couple weeks ago that they were starting branches, and man, it's just growing branches everywhere now. Every little section's getting a little branch growing out of it, or leaves. Yeah, those are pretty much branches. I think they're going to grow multiple leaves. But yeah, that's what's going on. Peanut, get over here. What are you doing? Almost tripped over a log there. Come here, get over here. Get out of there. You're going to get bit by a snake or something. Come on. She's got her bionic knee. She had a knee operation back in October, and she's back to about 100% now. This is the knee she had operated on. How's your knee? Is your knee doing good? Come here, get out of there. Get out of there. So that's about it. Everything in containers is doing great. Oh, they're Bambusa vulgaris doing really good. Those are all 25 foot tall now. And I got a bunch of polymorphas. I got a Dyslexic over there. These are a bunch of Asper S1 variety. And they actually need a little more sun. I got some hot peppers in with those. I'm not sure exactly what peppers those are yet, but they're looking pretty good. Pretty healthy so far. So yeah, tons of bamboo. Oh, and my Bambusa vulgaris, which was trying to seed, is doing really good. It's got another shoot out here. Look at this thing. It's like 5 foot tall already. So that tried to make some seeds, didn't do very good, and just kept right on growing. Clone cut off right there. Oh, and it is a fabulously beautiful day today. This is my avocado tree, by the way. I think it was in harmony. Oh, it's not very good. A lot of backlight there. Hang on. There it is, my avocado tree. In harmony with nature. I think was asking if I could grow avocados, and yes, I can grow the tree, but I don't know if it's going to actually sprout the avocados. There's some ginger, and my purple bamboo, which is kind of nice looking. You can't really see it too good in the video here. There you can, if I move, you can kind of see it. It's bending over, kind of weeping over there a little bit. It looks kind of cool. I'm trying to sprout that. I got a couple pieces in my worm bin over there. And then my huge specimen that I put in, my 22-foot tall piece, doing good. Had to prop it and push it the other way a little bit. It was starting to lean a little too much. And way out on the back lot over there, those ones are getting so tall they're going to be blocking all the power lines and everything. Well, they already are. The power lines are like way down there, so they're up above everything, making new skyline. Peanut, get over here. You're not supposed to be over there. Come on. Oh, there's another little avocado tree. This has only been in for a few months, maybe 4 or 5 months. And I put it in there, and I didn't want to. You don't want to spoil them too much. You don't want to water them too much. You want to kind of be able to make it on their own. If you keep them in a pot too long or try to water them too much, they end up dying. So that one's doing pretty good. It's getting some. We had a lot of rain December, just a really wet December this year. So if it wasn't for the short days, all these bamboos would be growing like crazy. These shoots here aren't that old. That one's still not even filling in yet. There's leaves are just coming out, starting to open up. So another month or two here, we should be getting some new growth. Yeah, there's a little bit better shot of my vulgaris. Their second year, and they started out so small you couldn't even see them over there, knee high, and they're that big now. I'm going to try to buy this lot over here and put a lot of bamboo in that whole side, fill that whole thing up. All right, cut.